Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Directx setup could not complete or could not download. You're facing some kind of error. So how can you fix that? First of all, make sure that your laptop or PC does not have any kind of VPN connections or any proxy connections. If you have any, just remove them. And the next step is just search here, go to the search section and just search network and you will see this panel, view network connections. Just open this one and you will see basically all the connected internet. As you can see, like mine are two, so depending on whatever your is connected, so just select this one and just otherwise just double click on it and you will see this one. So just click on properties and just click on internet protocol version 4. Just click on properties and make sure that this IP address is basically set up to obtain an IP address automatically, and the DNS should also be the same. Obtain DNS server address manually or sorry automatically. Some people just add manual DNS servers or manual IP address, so make sure to remove them. Set to obtain automatically. Just click on OK, close, and close this one as well. Once you do that, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. But let's say you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just search here cmd, and once you write down cmd, just click on run as admin and it will ask for permission. So just give the permission, and once you do that, after that you just need to enter these commands. The first one is ipconfig slash space ipconfig space slash flush dns, and just enter here and press enter. And once you enter, as you can see, successfully flushed dns. And the second one should be netsh winsock reset. Make sure to give the proper spacing. Otherwise, you can just copy this one as well. Netsh space winsock space reset and just press enter. Once you press enter, after that, it will basically fix all the settings related to like the internet, the IP address, the winsock, DNS. All those settings will be reset. After that, you can just simply restart your laptop or PC, and hopefully your problem will be fixed.